Good morning. Where are you right now, Helena?
I'm in Guernsey. Guernsey is an island between England and France.
Oh, I
So
see.
I'm French, but I live between Portugal and Guernsey.
Okay. So you,
And I talked yesterday with the person that you work with, and he said that you came from real estate too.
yeah, you were talking to Ramis. Yeah, you were talking to Ramis.
Yes, completely. I was
Yeah.
talking with him yesterday because, in fact, we are in the process. So all begins in a strange way. To be honest, it's the first time that I'm dealing with gold because, in fact, I'm coming from real estate. And this year, since the year began, I'm more working with paints and I'm working with Rothschild, for paints.
Mm-hmm.
And I have a client who I work with since a few years now, and he was interested in paint, and he told me, look, if you have somebody for gold, I'm interested too. So all began like this.
Oh,
And
I
that
see.
person present me another person, a client in Dubai, and in fact he wants big quantity of gold. But I realized, that, and because you have the experience, that is really not easy because processes are really different from one client for another. So it's this with failing because they want a process that is not easy, to be honest.
Okay.
So
Actually, gold will not come to any country. They have to pay the gold because
yeah,
gold
this
is
is the
not
thing. Yeah.
is not a CIF cost insurance and freight. Gold is precious mineral. The buyer has to pay for it. And when the buyer paid the gold, the buyer would be given all necessary export documentation like ASHA report, certificate of clearance that the gold is free of illegal activities, ownership, custom clearance, shipping cost, and insurance cost. So those buyer thinking that they can get gold to bring it to Dubai, it wouldn't work. It wouldn't work at all.
Yeah. So you want somebody to go to the mine first?
No,
and
the
verify
buyer
all?
has to come to the office. The buyer would not go to the mine because mine is too jungle,
Okay.
too far.
Okay.
The gold is in
Okay.
the city, in the office of the owner of the gold. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So they need to come to the office.
Yes,
first.
he would be invited, and the buyer needs to send his credential for me to validate, because I'm the one who will advise the head office that I validated the buyer. Without my
Okay.
validation, your buyer wouldn't be able to get the gold at all.
Okay. And the thing is, I have, they did a law because I was in the process, and in fact, the person was ready to go and bring the gold there, but the documentation, the ISCAR, was not validated by the bank in Dubai because they do not want this proof from Africa. So this was what it blocked. So in fact, I need to convince my buyer to accept your process because in fact, he's in the process that the previous one was easier because the person was going there. So I need to begin all. I saw the way you work, and I'm going to see if they want to go that way before, no point.
This is you have to go back to your buyer, Helena. The buyer has to have a contract of his order, because Africa is a red flag of gold laundering and money laundering. Yes.
Completely.
Both buyers and sellers are trying to smuggle it. So the government and the bank of the seller and the buyer will start to wonder. So if your buyer wanted 500 kilos, which you mentioned to me, the buyer has to send me his credential, and we're gonna send him a contract. Okay? And the contract has to be informed by his bank manager because that is 31 plus $1 million. So then the bank will...
I had the SPA. They prepared me the SPA with the contract, and I had all with the passport of the person. I had all in my hand. So
and what the buyer will tell the bank, because it's a really big amount. A minute you transfer big amount without sufficient information, the bank will start to wonder. Maybe your money is coming from dirty. Maybe your money is money laundering.
No, that's why I prefer to do brings to brings or bank to bank, because this is controlled by bank and is really a clear process. I control this process. So
Okay.
that's why I prefer the brings to brings or the bank to bank. Honestly.
The payment must be bank to bank because of money laundering.
Yes.
So what you have to
Yes,
do,
okay.
you tell your buyer, I can put your buyer in Conakry because Dubai and Conakry is just one stop. And there is an
Okay.
Emirates air cargo. So when your buyer use Brinks, he has an account, but the seller has no account to Brinks. The gold will be handed over to Brinks when the buyer pay the gold. Because Brinks
Okay.
would not accept these precious valued goods without export documentation in the name of the buyer. So there
Yeah,
is a
completely.
process. There is.
Okay.
So you need
Okay.
to tell your buyer that you were talking to Mrs. Ford. Mrs. Ford based in Australia, and Mrs. Ford is the extension of the seller. My role is very
Okay.
important. I am your buyer business facilitator. At the same time, I'm the seller's marketing consultant and mandate. I have the
Okay.
power to say yes or no. And I have the
Okay.
power to reject your buyer if I'm not satisfied with his credential.
Okay, perfect. It seems perfect. I need to talk with them because, in fact, I had the process, and I need to talk with them if they accept, because it's completely different what they wanted to do.
Yeah.
So
What
let
you
me
have to
talk
do,
with
you
them.
create a group chat. Tell your buyer, download on Botim, because in Dubai, you wouldn't be able to connect me to WhatsApp. Download on Botim.
Yes,
I want
I have it. Yeah.
I want to interview your buyer, because on the spot, I can tell your buyer whether he is serious or not. If he is not serious, immediately I'm gonna tell your buyer good luck and have a pleasant good evening.
He's serious. This part I control, he's serious. Now I need to find really the deal, because he's serious. I have the passports. I did all these controls. So this part I'm really 100% sure about.
You must remember our selling price less 8%.
Yes, it's okay. For the price, less 8%, they're okay. It's not the problem of the price, it's more the procedures.
The procedure is very simple. If the buyer has the fund, we have the gold. Yes. Very simple.
The procedures are the most complicated, you know. It's not only about having the gold or having the buyer, it's the process.
The process is very clear. The process is very clear. I think if... just a moment.
You are receiving another call.
Yeah, I think the process is very clear. When the buyer pay the gold, the seller will provide all export documentation, because the seller is going to prepare all export documentation in the name of the buyer.
The thing is, they don't want to pay before the gold being exported. This is the problem.
That's the problem of your buyer. Yeah, because the gold will not leave the country of origin. Why? Where is the payment? The payment will reflect into the bank, the cash inflow. So the buyer has to pay. So what I'm gonna advise you to tell your buyer is start a trial, because the buyer doesn't know us and we don't know him. So he needs to establish. He needs to establish business relationship. If he wouldn't want to establish business relationship, I can tell you right now, I wish him good luck. Tell him that Mrs. Ford is very strict. Tell him Mrs. Ford would not buy bullshit at all.
No, but I'm going to say with your telephone number and all the details, because he could not match this client, but he could match other clients. So I was really pleased to see your videos, and I felt really comfortable with. So it's definitely, I'm going to say with your telephone number and all this, he could not match this client, but we never know, you know.
How do you know? How do you know the client? How do you know this buyer? How do you know? I know buyer ins and out. How do you know him?
There's 4 years that I work with the person that works with him, and he's really somebody who is known in Dubai. So he's really somebody that is trustable. When you will know one day the name, you will understand. Okay, I understand. So
you know, Dubai, 99.99 gold coming from Africa. Dubai is a desert, but they love gold, because without gold, they wouldn't make into jewelry. Dubai is a lava.
Good.
Yeah.
If we could find a way to change a little bit the process, if you could accept the way they want to buy, I could have three buyers who buy tremendous quantities.
Well, we have tons of gold, but they have to follow the golden rules, because the government would not let the seller ship the gold without where is the payment. The payment will reflect into the cash inflow, but the buyer doesn't know that, and a lot of sellers offering you cheap price. Gold is not cheap. It's not.
No, gold is not cheap. No, but it's not about the price. I do not have problems about the price that I suggest to them. It's more the process.
The process is very simple.
They want to do, just to give you an idea the way they want to do it.
The process is very simple. You have the fun, you have the gold. The process is very simple. Yes.
So let's try to make it happen. I'm gonna try in my way and send you. I said yesterday to your partner that I will send an ID next time. So
yeah, you were talking to Ramis when I wake up from. When I wake up and Ramis was saying that you were talking to him, I said yes. And I was talking to Helena as well. So, this this internet is very fast. I'm everywhere. I'm with I'm on YouTube. I'm on Facebook. Anyone can find Wilhelmina. I am the only.
I found you like this.
Did you find my YouTube channel? Did you?
Yes. Yes.
Did you watch my YouTube? Which video? Which video did you watch? The current one?
I watched one. I think that is about the government. Yes, completely.
Okay, because time to time I update the price, so I put the date, but the process are all the same. I put everything because I want the buyer to understand that this is money they are buying. This is the world asset they are buying.
Completely, but it is really clear. I'm going to send you the process of my client. You are going to see that it's really far away from yours. So for this one, it will not match. This is really clear.
Yeah.
But we never know. We never know. I know you are working. We never know if I have a client who wants to do it the way you are doing it. I will contact you.
The process is very simple. Anywhere in Africa is very simple. But if you cut corner, I'm telling you, guaranteed you are going to fail. There was 2 American ladies. They went to Africa in Kampala and Angola. They lost $600,000 because they were being offer. They were being offer. I don't know what kind of offer. And when they're about to leave, they were being stopped and the gold was being seized. So that is the yes.
You can't do it that way. It's
yes.
Too
dangerous.
Never do it that way.
But if you cut corner, we both of us are in real estate, right? We always explain to the buyer this is the process, right? And the buyer has to see what he's buying. So the buyer has to travel in order to meet the owner to see the product before he pay. Okay, he would not pay unless he see the product, but the product would not come to him because there is a rules and regulation that the buyer cannot take the gold out of the country without full payment. That is the problem with the buyer, because if the buyer cannot afford, meaning to say he doesn't have a cash flow.
Okay. No, it's clear. It's clear. Thank you very much for your explanation. This for me it's really clear. So we'll keep in touch and let's see what we can do together.
All right. Okay? Thanks, Helena.
So you are in Australia?
Yes, I'm in Queensland, Brisbane, Australia. Yeah.
Okay, Queensland.
Thank you very much for our discussion. And I hope your buyer would understand that gold will not come to him.
Hope so. I will let you know. Thank you for your call and we keep in touch.
All right. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Well, I just finished having a conference with the buyer's agent. The buyer's agent's qualification, the same as my qualification. She is a real estate agent, and I'm also on real estate. So buying and selling are exactly the same. There is no difference. So they have a difficulty in searching for gold. So I told her that tell your buyer that gold will not come to Dubai. The buyer has to establish business relationship with us before he will get the gold. Gold will not come to any country without export documentation. Wouldn't. And we don't deal CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. We don't deal LC. We don't deal SBLC. We don't deal bank instrument. Gold is cash. There's a saying, he who has the gold makes the rules. The government makes the rule. The country makes the rules. The seller will follow the rules of the country, because once the gold out of the mines, once the gold refined into gold bar, from dust gold to gold bar, and then ready for export, that is belong to the country. So what the buyer will do and the seller has to follow the golden rules. The buyer has to pay what he is purchasing. We don't give the buyer a sample. Money is not a sample. Gold is money. Gold is the world asset. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. This is for export. To those exporters, small exporter, don't be involved in gold if you don't have a capital. Don't. Keep your money. I'm telling you many times, those buyer asking, I want to buy 1 kilo, bring it to India, bring it to Dubai. We don't do that. We don't. Why are we going to bring it to you? We are not a bigger. You are the one begging to buy gold because you are going to make into different uses. How many times I explained that on my YouTube and on my Facebook? The gold will not leave the country of origin. Those sellers offer you to pay taxes. Don't deal because you're gonna be ended into disaster. There was one guy from Paris. He knows me, and we send him an invitation. We send him a contract. What he did, he go behind us. He went to Mali. What happened? His gold is stranded in Ghana. Now he's stuck in Ghana. The gold coming from Mali, the gold was been transit from Abidjan to Ghana. Of course, because you have to transit. I wonder why he spent more than 60,000. Now the buyer is in Ghana. I don't know why. To me, that's very unlogical. If you are a transit, you only transit for a few hours. Custom in Ghana are notorious. They are corrupt. Now this buyer asked me for help. I told him, you are creating your own problem. I'm not here to solve your problem. Yeah, you come to me, you pretend that you are just using the information which is the buyer should follow. Now what happened? He went to Mali. He was given cheap price. Disaster. So now, he said to me, Madam, what can I do? I said, I don't know. I don't know what can I do. What can you do? You don't need to ask Wilhelmina. I only deal buyer that meet the criteria. Now, Mr. Buyer, I just finished having a conference with the lady. To all buyer's agent or buyer, we are now on the social media. Easy for you to search gold. In our Africa, 98% gold coming from Africa. You are the only person, or I'm the only person, who put everything online. Internet is the superhighway. Everything now is on internet. Everything now is on Facebook or YouTube channel or LinkedIn or whatsoever. My gosh, you would not find a seller like this lady in front of you. I work for the seller. I am the business facilitator. Those joker broker hates my guts. I'm sorry guys, you are one of the joker. Yeah, I get out from LinkedIn because I was being attacked by members of LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a good site, but those joker broker, they ruin the image of LinkedIn. LinkedIn is to connect people, to connect professional people. But most of the joker broker, they are the one who ruin. That's why I get out. I don't have business with them. I rather create this platform easy for the buyer to find, type gold in Africa, my video pop up into your screen. Now, Mr. Buyer, you don't need to ask procedure. The procedure is here in front of you. Subscribe and click below. Click on the bottom. Then you will see the extensive procedure. Now you're gonna ask, what is the price? The price changes every day. The price is not fixed. Our selling price less 8% tax included. Take it or leave it. If you're gonna say too expensive, Mrs. Ford, you are buying expensive item. You're not buying potato here. You're not buying banana here. You must remember, this is precious mineral you are buying. Now, Mr. Buyer, Wilhelmina is willing to help you. Okay? Convince me. Show me your credential. Show me your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund, your bank statement. Don't worry, because that bank statement of yours signifies that you are really serious. That bank statement of yours will signify that you have fund available, because we don't deal credit. This is cash. We don't ask you upfront because you have not seen the product. You only pay when you see the product, you taste the product, then you transfer the payment bank to bank because of money laundering and gold laundering. Now, Mr. Buyer, I will challenge you. Wilhelmina will be with you on the ground. However, I do charge my extra service. You have two options, Mr. Buyer. 8%, you travel alone, and I will arrange the paperwork, the contract, and I will advise my seller that I have validated you. Let us proceed, and we will send you the confirmation of your order. How many quantity you want to start with? And is this short term or long term? So then I will send your credential to the head office. I will monitor your movement 8%. But if there is a problem or there is an issue, Wilhelmina is too far to assist you. It's better you pay my extra service, and I will give you a very good negotiation price. I might consider 13 to 14% instead of 8%. Why? You pay my extra service to cover my travel cost. In return, I've given you back 5% discount, in total of 13 to 14%. Which one you like, Mr. Buyer? Now, I do charge $20,000, you must remember. There is no free in this world, Mr. Buyer. There's none. The information you found me is worth $1 million if you pay attention, if you're wise reader, if you're wise buyer. Take time, you watch this video. I have several videos on YouTube and also on my Facebook. You go on my Facebook, you will see everything. We have gold and diamond. I handle Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone. I will be the one to determine which seller I'm going to take you. I want to take you to Sierra Leone or Conakry or Mali. Now, if you are from Dubai, I will take you to Conakry. Why? Because Dubai and Conakry one stop. Emirates fly 3 times a week. We don't deal Brinks. If you have a account of Brinks, it's up for you to talk to your Brinks. Once you pay the gold, we will hand over to Brinks. Then the Brinks can bring it to you. But you have to pay the gold before we're gonna hand over to Brinks. Brinks is a shipping agent. Brinks will not accept gold without full export documentation in the name of the buyer. So, Mr. Buyer, if I'm where you, I rather deal with Wilhelmina so that you will be guided, but my services is not for free. Mr. Buyer, you gain knowledge out of this video. You gain. If you don't pay attention and you're gonna be excited, to me, you're not a buyer. You're a joker buyer. You pretend to be a buyer. So I'm very blunt and I'm very frank. This is for you, Mr. Buyer. The price of gold changes every day. So you go to the world market, whatever the price on the world market, less 8%. So if you want to deal with Wilhelmina, and if you want my services, I can give you 13 to 14%, whatever the world market price. We are very flexible. Why I give you 13 to 14%? Why? I will renegotiate to you, to my head office on your behalf. I'm gonna tell my head office that let's give the buyer 13 to 14% because the buyer pay my services extra. The seller would not pay my services. Yeah? I'm gonna charge my seller when the buyer pay the products. But when I travel with you, it's another scenario. This is extra. You don't need to pay extra if you don't like it. 8%. You travel. I will monitor your movement via online. But don't bank on it. And if there is an issue, then you come back to Wilhelmina. Don't come to Wilhelmina. Believe me, Mr. Buyer. It doesn't matter if he is my seller. Africa is very slow. Yeah? Appointment 9 o'clock, they will show up 12 o'clock. But if I'm there, I keep on bugging and bugging and bugging the office. What time you coming? Why you are late? What time did you leave the office? I'm very strict. So it's better that you take Wilhelmina with you. What is $25,000? It's peanut. I've given you 13 to 14%. Your profit, every bar, is $10,000. So why are you scared? I'm not scared to travel in Africa without any security guard. You don't need to go to the mines. You only come to the office. Your reservation is ready for you to inspect. You bring your gold tester to analyze it. Then we will assay to the central bank if you want Conakry. Then if you want Mali, we will assay the gold to KMR or DNGM. So in every country, they have rules and regulation. All right? So thank you very much that I just finished having a conference with the lady, video call. Then the buyer will follow the golden rules. So that buyer from Dubai, he must follow the golden rules of the country. The gold will not come to Dubai. And there is no upfront here. You have to pay for it, whether you like it or not. If you cannot afford to pay, then your business would not function. The gold will not come to you. It doesn't matter that you're going to say, oh, I am the buyer. Prove it to Wilhelmina if you're a buyer. Show me your credential. If you cannot show me your credential to me, you're just a bluffer. We don't bluff. Yesterday, my seller renewed his taxes because the government is taxation. The seller paid the huge taxes to the government. You know how much my seller paid taxes yesterday? $120,000. And you are asking CIF, cost, insurance, and freight only. You have to pay the gold because your payment would reflect into the cash inflow. This is not for free, Mr. Buyer. If you cannot afford, meaning to say you are not in business, you don't have cash flow. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening, good morning to you whenever you are. So time to time, visit my platform on Facebook. Then you will see the price of gold because I always update time to time.